Whoa.
Hey, there he is. I've been waiting for you.
I can tell.
Welcome to Old Town, historic San Diego, fourplex. Great for groups, great for families. Experience. Should we go check it out?
I want to go check it out. All right.
That one's occupied.
All right, I'm gonna check out this bottom one.
Also occupied.
Awesome.
Follow me.
I'm just gonna follow you.
4 2-bedroom, 2-bath units.
This is a fourplex. This is unique.
And you have the space, but you also have the privacy of different families coming together. It really does have that dynamic capability of creating a unique experience that you won't get at a home, but you feel like you have 4 real 2-bedroom suites.
Like a mini Melrose Place for vacation rental. Me and my girlfriend were here. Hopefully you don't have the downstairs. That's all I'm saying. The things I love whenever I'm gonna see one of your properties is the design.
I think about what would I want to do in a property like this in this region. And so what does that mean for a place here in San Diego in Old Town? It means a swim naked board instead of a sing naked guitar in Nashville. It's a tacopedia instead of an encyclopedia. When you show up to an AvantStay, your vacation starts right away. So we've talked a lot about the analog experience, the features of the building, the design, but the digital experience is actually what differentiates AvantStay. We've built in an entire value-added services component to the business where you can plug into the AvantStay app, order anything you want, and it's an on-demand service that is delivered to your front door.
It's almost like you're bringing the hotel experience into the vacation rental.
But better. So despite the beautiful views you get up here, I'm downstairs guy. This is mom and dad, downstairs. Entertain.
Love it. All right, let's go check it out.
So Rob, as you can see, this is more my speed, right? This is where the group comes to hang out, and this is something that you just can't do at a hotel. Barbecue outside the window for lunch, sit down, have a tequila and beer.
There is just something different about the vacation rental home experience versus the hotel experience. And you guys are killing it. You have mastered the details, and I appreciate you showing me around.